is drawing to a close, time to pause for a moment and say thank you.
Thank you for your trust, your loyalty, and for all the methods
that we were able to make shine again together.
So, not only does the Christmas tree sparkle,
but so does our contribution to a sustainable future.
As every year we are happy to donate to the research into rare diseases which get far too little attention. Please help to protect our environment and the people around you.
We wish you a festive and blessed Christmas, relaxing holidays, and a very successful start to the new year 2026.